This video is about the polypropylene septic tank prices here in the Philippines. What you're looking at here is the polypropylene septic tank that is now becoming popular here in the Philippines. There's two kinds of brand that's doing this, the Best Tank and the Boda Tank. So this time, what you're looking at here is the 1,000 liter 2-chamber septic tank. So I'll show you the profile inside, but this polypropylene septic tank is an already shaped tank, and all you have to do is to get the fittings from the drain out to all the chamber that all the waste is going in, which is this one. Sealed it in and then just make the hole, then your septic tank is ready. It has become popular lately because of the need of fast housing, that it has to be done, made a hole, done, and then cover. So this kind of chamber that you're looking at is what is now becoming the norm. It used to be just one standing rectangular tank like what they have on the back. But so far, the maximum capacity that is offered is, this is from First Tank, the rectangular one is 2,000 liters. So is the rectangular ones like this. The maximum is 2,000 liters. So what you're looking at, this one, that is from First Tank. So what's inside, this is supposed to be, I'll just show you the small one because I can't lift it up. That's the 2,000 liters from the Best Tank as 15,999. So the next one is 1.5 liter, which is this. This is the 1,000 liter. 1,000 liter septic tanks is 6,400. Saves you the labor, time and labor. That's why people are now using this kind of septic tank in their housing. So this is 2,000 liters, and these are the 1.5. The 1.5 will cost you 9,600 pesos. So look at the septic tanks. This is the profile inside, and if you see on the end, this is what they have allocated to have an outlet. So you have to put the drain pipe of your water here to make a hole in there, see, for your drainage of the water system. So this one, polypropylene is the material. You can see this is the 2,000 liter one, and then the capacity of the person will be 13 to 15 person in the house. There's 3 internal chambers for this one, and this is the size 1,210 millimeters. That's the width. The height is 1,165 millimeters, and the length is 2,355 for 2,000 liters. Now it's Boda Tank 2,000 liters is cheaper than First Tank because 2,000 liters for the Boda Tank is only 12,800. So the First Tank, if you're familiar with it, that costs you almost 16,000 pesos. And this, the fiberglass reinforced polyester First Tank, that is 1,000 liter only for 14,900. So that's the profile inside. So there's an input where all the waste come in, inlet, not rather, from your toilet. That's the inlet, and then on the back, that will be the outlet, like this. Yeah, this is the outlet. So you just make the hole here for your drainage pipe. Whereas if you're looking at the fiberglass reinforced that is made by the First Tank brand, it already had a hole for your inlet and outlet. I've used this before in one of my houses, and I use this First Tank one. So all your dirt will be going in. It's just like a big bucket, this one, and then on the top where you've seen the hole, that's where the outlet and the inlet will be connected. So I didn't realize it costs so much now, but yeah, everything's rising up. So this is now 14,900 pesos for this reinforced fiberglass from First Tank. So as of the moment, this is the one that I've seen so popular, is the Boda septic tank. Boda septic tanks, unfortunately, is only 2,000 liter capacity, but it's bigger than the First Tank, and also it's cheaper, and you got choices. Whereas the First Tank, you only have one size, at that is 1,000 liters, whereas in the Boda tank with this rectangular shape one, you have 1,000 liters at 6,400 pesos, 1.5 liters capacity septic tank at 9,600 pesos, and 12,800 for the big ones like this one, the 2,000 liter ones. I'll show you the entirety. So this is in answer to the people for their septic tank needs. This is the ready-made septic tanks from City Hardware. I'm actually here right now in City Hardware Liloan. If you find this place in City Hardware, it's quite a big spacious parking area, and also it's not so crowded like you are in some of the City Hardware, especially Mandaue, where you'll be struggling to get out of the traffic due to their location. This is the best located City Hardware so far that I've seen here in Cebu. Most have a problem with parking, and also the area where they're operating is really busy, that you have to rush in and rush out. So that's the ready-made septic tank here in City Hardware, Liloan, Cebu.